Hello everyone, this is Prakriti Raghuvanshi and welcome to my channel. In today's Open Office Writer series, we will do how to do mail merge. First of all, we will open the Open Office. Please like and subscribe to my video. So you can see the Open Office has opened, and now we will open the text document. After this, I have saved this letter so it is appearing here. You can change it according to you. What is your question? Invitation card, greeting card, admit card, or maybe certificate. So after this we will go to the tools menu, and you can see I have highlighted these 2 points. These 2 points will be changed and all the rest format would be same. So first of all, we will go to the tools menu and go to mail merge wizard. So this would open a mail merge wizard like this. I want to use the current document. You can also get from a template. So I want to use the current document, so I am here. It should be in the letter format. I don't want to email it, so I have chosen letter. Then we will come here to the select different address list. You can see there are a lot of database, and we have to select one from them, or you can create one. Now you can select also from them, but I want to create, so I will go to the create option. You can see there are a lot of things, but I want only some of them, so I will delete them. So for deleting it, I will go to customize. Then you can see here delete option is appearing. You can delete them. So after deleting the fields which I want, I will add them. So we'll click on add, then type the name. I want the name field, so we will type the name and add. Now I want one more field of address, so I will type address. So here you can see the 2 fields are appearing. Now we'll do OK. Now we will type the name and address of different people. So first let us take as Raju. Address you can say Mumbai. Then we will go to the new one. So you can see it is appearing here. So the second name would be Pratham. The address be Varanasi or Mumbai, whatever you can take. So I have taken this for 3 people. You can take it for more or according to your wish. Then I will take Sana. Address is Mumbai. After this we will do OK. So you can see save as dialog box has opened. Now I will type the name and save it. For example, I type the name 123 and go to save. So you can see 123 would be appearing here. So you can see 123 is here. Now we'll go to OK option after selecting 123. So you can see here the things are appearing here. Now we will match them. Now we will go to the more option. You can see select address block has opened here. Now after going to more, we'll go to the new option. I will drag or write the elements which I want here. So I want the first name. Then I want the address. So by this you can make it down. So you can see it has appeared here. Then you will click on OK. Now we'll go to match field. So you can see here I have chosen first name. So it would be taken as name, and I have chosen address, which would be address. So you can see the preview here. Then we will click on OK. So you can see the first name and this is appearing here, and both the blocks are matched. Then we will go to the next. Since my document do not need a salutation, or you can add if you wish to add. So I will go directly to edit document. After this, so now we'll go to edit document. So I will cut it from here. Now I will paste it downwards. So after cutting the text, we will paste it here. You can see the paste option is there. So you can see it has been pasted here. Now after pasting it here, we will return to the mail merge wizard from here. So I will go to the next option. Now if you want to personalize the mail merge document, you can. So I don't want to. Now I want to save, print and send. So we'll go to the next. After going to save, print or send, we will save the starting document. So we will save it here. You can change the name or let it be Untitled 1. I will change the name as starting document. And we will click on save. If you want to save with a password, you can go here and checkbox it and type the password. So you can see now it is saved.